Success doesn't happen by luck. It happens by learning from those who've already made it. And the fastest way to learn? Books. In this series, we'll break down 5 life-changing books that have shaped millionaires, leaders, and high performers. Each one holds a key to a different part of success: mindset, habits, focus, wealth, and leadership. So the only question is, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. 1. Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill presents timeless principles that can transform aspirations into reality. Individuals who embrace these ideas often start from humble beginnings, facing obstacles like self-doubt and financial struggles. Through unwavering desire, faith, and persistence, they learn to harness the power of their thoughts and visualize success. Each triumph is a testament to the strength of a positive mindset and a clear plan, demonstrating that with dedication and resilience, wealth and personal achievement are within everyone's reach. 2. Atomic Habits, James Clear. Atomic Habits by James Clear delves into the power of incremental change, illustrating how tiny adjustments can lead to remarkable transformations over time. Clear emphasizes that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Just as small deposits can grow into substantial wealth, minor daily actions can significantly shape our lives. He breaks down the habit formation process into 4 simple stages: cue, craving, response, and reward. By mastering these stages and focusing on 1% improvements, individuals can cultivate a framework for lasting success, ultimately reshaping their identity and achieving their goals through consistent, small changes. 3. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Stephen Covey. Stephen Covey's The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People offers a roadmap for personal and professional growth through effective habits. The first 3 habits focus on self-mastery, being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, and putting first things first. These habits encourage individuals to take charge of their lives, define their values, and prioritize their time effectively. The next 3 habits shift to interdependence, emphasizing the importance of synergy, empathetic communication, and mutual benefit. Finally, the 7th habit, Sharpening the Saw, advocates for continuous self-renewal. By integrating these principles into daily routines, individuals can cultivate a balanced, fulfilling life and nurture meaningful relationships, ultimately driving success in all areas. 4. Deep Work. Cal Newport. Cal Newport's Deep Work highlights the necessity of concentrated effort in an era overwhelmed by distractions. He argues that cultivating the ability to focus deeply can lead to profound achievements. To implement these principles, individuals can start by scheduling dedicated blocks of time for uninterrupted work, free from notifications and distractions. For example, a software developer might reserve the first 3 hours of each day for coding, turning off all devices. Similarly, writers can carve out early mornings for creativity, ensuring they are in a distraction-free environment. By prioritizing deep work, professionals can enhance productivity, foster creativity, and uncover groundbreaking ideas, ultimately transforming their careers. 5. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki contrasts the financial philosophies of his 2 father figures, providing a profound examination of wealth and education. His biological father, the poor dad, embodies traditional views, valuing academic achievement and job security, yet struggles financially. In stark contrast, the rich dad teaches the importance of financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and investing. This duality shapes Kiyosaki's perspective, urging him to pursue financial independence over mere employment. Ultimately, the lessons learned underscore the necessity of redefining success and understanding money as a tool for freedom. Combining the principles from these 5 influential books creates a powerful blueprint for personal and financial success. Imagine igniting a burning desire fueled by unwavering faith, as outlined in Think and Grow Rich. Layer this with the incremental changes championed in Atomic Habits, where each small step compounds into remarkable transformation. Integrate Covey's effective habits to foster self-mastery and collaborative strength. Embrace the deep, focused work that Newport advocates to enhance creativity. Finally, incorporate Kiyosaki's financial wisdom, reshaping your understanding of wealth. Together, these elements forge a path to a fulfilling and successful life. In a quaint coffee shop, Emma and Jake, two aspiring entrepreneurs, debated over which self-help book to read first. Emma, eager to dive into Think and Grow Rich, argued for the power of mindset, recalling her struggles to break free from her mundane job. Jake, however, championed Atomic Habits, believing small changes could create lasting success. Their spirited exchange caught the attention of an older gentleman at the next table, who chimed in with his own journey. He suggested starting with The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People to build a solid foundation. Intrigued, Emma and Jake realized that each book offered unique insights and that perhaps the best approach was to weave lessons from all 5 into their lives, igniting their passions while mastering habits for the journey ahead. Success isn't a mystery, it's a decision, and every page you read takes you one step closer. If this book sparks something in you, don't just scroll, take action. Save this video. Drop a comment. Which book has changed your life? Follow for more real success tools, because your journey has only just begun.